So before we jump into today's vlog, I wanted to quickly share with you guys one of the items that I'm going to be using for Dakota's 3rd birthday this year to do a huge balloon display. It is a portable projector and projector screen by Vankyo, and I will link it down in the description box if you are interested in purchasing to try it out for yourself. Once we got it, I was so excited to get it open, and we played around with it a little bit. You can connect tons of different devices to be able to do easy screen sharing. We used the phone in order to play YouTube a little bit, and then we went ahead and popped on Netflix and sat down and watched a movie together as a family. We'll have it linked down below in the description box for you to check out, and if you decide to purchase it, let me know what your plans are for it. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sharp Designs by Lakeisha, where I am designing my way through life and inspiring you to do the same. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe. And if you aren't following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me down below to keep up with the latest and greatest that does not make it to YouTube. So this is the space that I am setting up for the shower. It's pretty much like the formal living dining space in the house. That's where the front area is going to be, and back here we have long tables to fit the space good. So I'm just going to kind of bring you guys along as I transform this little space into a cute area for a baby shower. I already have my draping up over here with my hoop, and you guys will see what's going to be going on over there later. These are the tables and chairs that were rented. Then I have all the other little items in the box. Balloons I've came over and blew up over here last night, as well as some cluster. So yeah, more balloons. So just stay tuned, guys. So the first thing I did was grab my fishing line to start assembling my balloon garland, and I used a combination of 16, 24, and 12-inch white balloons to put this together. These particular balloons were by the brand of Sempertex, and I used my figure 8 method to do a pretty basic balloon garland. As you guys know, I start off with the basic garland, and then once I have it hung and in place, I then make the magic happen of making it dimensional and giving it texture and all that fun stuff to make it really pretty and organic. Now this video is not really step by step, but I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of the behind the scenes for transforming this space. But I do have a ton of tutorials up. I do have a balloon playlist, and the titles are pretty specific to what you will actually learn in each vlog, so definitely check some of those out. And I am promising, once I have some free time, I will be doing a step-by-step updated tutorial, but I'm hoping you guys are able to catch along with what I've been doing here lately. But once I got my columns completed with the balloons that I had blew up the day before, I went ahead and had to blow up some more balloons. Quick update, I got all 3 pieces up, and now I'm going to fill it in and make it really pretty. When I say fill in, I mean like spaces like right here where it could use like a big balloon, and just, you know, my 5 inches and all of that. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so I am back, and I just realized last night I had my ladder over here with me to like put the backdrop and stuff up back there, but then I took it home because I was trying to have as less stuff as possible left over here, and just realized I don't have my ladder, so I'm improvising here with this table. It's pretty strong, so we're gonna pray I don't fall. I'm gonna start off with the top to knock that part out and get it filled in, and then work my way down. And right now I'm just using 260 balloons to attach onto this big one here, and then I'm gonna start putting it up, filling with these big ones, and then work my way from bigger to smaller balloons. So y'all pray I don't fall off this table. All right guys, so the table actually just fell. So I'm gonna do it without the table because I'm kind of nervous about it falling, so I'm gonna just keep doing it like this. So the next part of this project was to go ahead and get the rainbow done for the dessert table display that you probably already saw on this thumbnail, which is probably what made you click on this vlog. I did each individual color into a basic balloon garland, and I blew the balloons up similar size. I didn't use a balloon measure device to get this done. I just kind of did it by eye, and it still worked out fine. So if you think it'll help better for you to measure the balloons, definitely go ahead and do that. But I had 3 shades of yellow that I used to do this, and I staggered them in length off by 1 set of balloons, so that when I got ready to attach it, which is what I'm doing here, it would kind of have that semi-arch effect that a rainbow typically has. I used 260 balloons to link them together. I tied it on one end, linked it around the balloon in the next column next to it using the figure 8 method, and then tied a knot on the other end, and I did that in several spots throughout the rainbow. And these are all the clusters that I'm going to add later on to give the rainbow some dimension and texture. It's not finished, but I wanted y'all to see what I'm going for with the rainbow. I'm just going to close in a few more gaps, and then I'm going to add in my clusters. I just showed you guys that I shook up to this and add my clouds, and you'll see the results. So this is what I was able to get done tonight. It's a little dark, but tomorrow I'll be back. I have a light and it'll be sun outside. But I finished my ombre rainbow using 3 shades of yellow. I have my clouds, I have the name. I have to finish decorating the table, the cake top or the sign, clouds. And then I also have to finish making my raindrops that are hanging from the clouds. And then from this way, it looks like this, the 3 tables. And then this lamp tomorrow is gonna be raised up. I'm gonna make it a cloud and put raindrops down from it. And this is what it looks like from this way. If you're sitting on this end, you get all of the white clouds, and then you'll be able to see that better tomorrow. Oh, and I have to bring the centerpieces tomorrow as well. So I'll show you guys the final look on tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back. So today is the day of the shower. Well, I guess it doesn't matter what time it starts for y'all, but I'm headed just to do a final, the last few things that I told you guys I had to do on yesterday. And I have quite a few things in my car just in case I had to fix anything that may have messed up overnight, but everything should still be fine. As you can see, I had to wrap my hair because I had to lay these edges down. Y'all know my hair is natural, so it kind of, my roots sweated out real bad, so I'm trying to lay this front part down at least. I went and picked up the desserts this morning, and they look super cute. I could give you guys a sneak peek. So these are the cake pops, and then I have cookies, donuts, pretzels, Rice Krispie treats. So yeah. So yeah, so I will be there about, my GPS is telling me 7 minutes away. Once I get there, I will show you guys the final results. See you then.